Hi everyone, today I want to talk to you about setting goals for 2020. It's an exercise that I've just been through and it's something I quite look forward to at the beginning of each year, and I want to take you through the process that I use and you can kind of just copy this and do it yourself, all right? The first thing is, we break it down into 3 month, 1 year, 3 year and 5 year. And for some of you, and it was like this for me, it was especially daunting when I started doing this a couple of years ago, because people say, you've got to have a vision for where you're going. And for us, it's to create the greatest lead generation program on this planet. But not everyone's going to have something that's so kind of concrete that you can kind of aim for the end of the 5 year period. So really just kind of do your best. And if you're relatively new to pay-per-lead or marketing or whatever, maybe put some financial goals up here, or, maybe some personal goals, whether it be fitness or relationship or something like that, and just do your best. Do not beat yourself up about it, okay? Because it's more the exercise of doing something like this and thinking into the future, which is valuable. Because I bet you, if you're relatively new or you haven't got as an established business as perhaps we do, it's going to change, right? You can't predict 5 years from now what exactly is going to happen. And do not beat yourself up if you don't have that exact vision, okay? It's more, doing this exercise that's going to help you initially, okay? And the most important thing is what we've got here in the 3 month segment, okay? So if you're starting out, if you're doing lead generation or kind of marketing or whatever it is, then I would be doing something like, if you wanted to, say you're in a vertical and you want to be doing 300 leads per week here, okay, for that vertical. You want to build a better funnel. You want to have completed a customer avatar and an empathy map for your vertical. Maybe you've got a fitness goal where you want to track all of your, for me, I've had a goal to put all of my daily kind of diet and things that I'm eating into my Fitness Pal tracking for 3 months. You might want to have a certain revenue that you're doing per month. You might want to hit 20K a month or something like that. And I'll just go through down, break it like that. You might want to enter a second vertical or start thinking about a second vertical. Or you want to kind of master quiz software or something like LeadsHook, which is big for us. All of these things are going to help you within the next 3 months, and they're very achievable, okay? This is stuff that you can, you can tick off very easily. Do a customer avatar for your vertical, do an empathy map for your vertical. We have a system where we gather and assess data in a market and put that on a Google sheet. MyFitnessPal, you can track that every day for 3 months, no problems. You've got a very specific revenue goal. You know that you've got to start entering a new vertical. All of that stuff is a 3 month window that you can easily go into and make sure that you tick all of that off, all right? So have a think about it. Write all of these down in the first, in 1 day, sleep on it and come down and finalize these the next day, all right? It's pretty simple and easy to do. The 1 year goal, 1 year, 3 year and 5 year, as I was saying before, a lot of you kind of might not be in that established phase yet, but you can easily go into the 1 year goal. So you want to have a revenue goal for sure. You want to have second vertical profitable. You might want to be, have your sales process automated. So for us within our lead generation agency, we have cold email, we have direct mail, and what else do we do? Cold email, direct mail, I can't remember what the last one is at the moment, but we have these systems automated now, and I've got salespeople that are doing this on a weekly basis. And that is important, that if you are running an agency, you need to figure out how to get sales happening on a daily basis. Okay, I speak to so many agencies that are trying to, grow, but when I look under the hood, they're spending more time, working on creative and worried about Facebook metrics rather than landing clients. I have a saying, build it and they will come. And by landing clients, it forces you to get better. It forces you to solve problems for them. And at the end of the day, that's what you need to do. So, go through your 1 year. You might have a weight, if you're into fitness or weight or a strength type goal here. These are the kind of things that you want to be doing. If I look at the 3-year goals, that to me, I'm kind of like, that's a little bit too far in the future, and 5 years is a little bit too far in the future as well. But I start putting stuff like, buy a Bondi. I come from Australia, right? I was just in Bondi Beach, and I was like, buy a Bondi beach house or something like that. I'm not sure that's going to happen in 5 years for me, but it could be something that a 10-year goal or something like that. And the 3-year stuff might be like, it's, sell your agency, or bring in a chief operating officer or a CEO to start running the stuff that you want to do. You might want to look at acquiring. I'm not sure that's spelt right. That's back to front. Acquiring a business. Okay. So a lot of the time, the stuff that we're teaching is how to generate leads, quality leads, and build businesses as your clients. But it could be that in 3 years' time, you get so good at this vertical that you're mastering up here that you want to acquire a business and take a shared ownership or something in it like that. You might want to launch an education course or education program like we've done. These are the kind of moonshot ideas over here in 5 years, and I wouldn't worry too much about it. Just write some stuff down. Okay, it might sound ridiculous to buy a Bondi beach house, but it's funny that the universe sometimes gives you what you want if you at least write it down and put it on paper. It's happened to me loads of times, and it really surprises you. So don't spend too much time on here. Just have some big goals and write it down, and you'll never know what might happen. Spend most of your time back on this 3-month window, and rinse and repeat this when you hit the end of March. All right. What I would do is I'll put this all on a Google Sheet, and I would have columns just sorted like this, and have it, put a note in your diary to kind of amend it in 3 months' time. All right. It's important that you guys know where you're going. I didn't do this for years when I was running an agency, and I was just like a rudderless ship. At the end of the day, you need to have direction, and this is a really good way to do it. I hope you enjoyed. Speak later.